Question 25s of the intermediate maths challenge are often like just a step up again compared to the other questions. Though you do get some other tricky ones around 23 and 24, to be fair, but quite often they will just take considerably more time. However, this one is relatively nice. Like it might look a bit off-putting to start with, the fact that we've just got a semicircle and a triangle, not even a right angle triangle, and we're being asked about tan x. But if you start just putting unknowns in and using the facts given, it's going to work out really nicely. It's not going to take many steps, in fact. So I'm going to show you how we can do it. Now, one thing we could do is label the radius r, but because we're interested in just the areas being the same, it doesn't really matter as we enlarge the semicircle and triangle that we can still imagine the areas being the same and the angles are not going to change, so the value of tan x would remain the same. So to make life easy, I decided to say the radius of the circle is 1. And that means the area is pi r squared, so pi times 1 squared, divided by 2, or pi over 2. Okay, I'm off to a good start for the semicircle. Right, now I can focus on the triangle. So if that's 1, then the whole length here is 2. And then I'm going to introduce the height, which I'm going to call h. And notice we're actually well on our way then to getting tan x because I've split it down the middle and x is here. I've got that this is 1, that's the adjacent, so I just need to work out what h is. And we can use the area. So it must be that a half times the base, which is 2, times the height is equal to that pi over 2 from the semicircle because they have equal area. And that means that h is pi over 2. Okay, all that's left to do is do tan x is opposite over adjacent, which in this case is pi over 2 over 1, or simply pi over 2. And we're done.